Key steps to ensure marrying the right person. Lyrics and stories portray lightning flashes and moment, adoration and energy. Sentiments and romance have captivated humankind of ages. Romeo and Juliet and numerous different stories highlight love in its numerous tints. While a couple, individual can watch love at first sight and being forever connections, there are numerous broken relations, unions and connections that demonstrate generally. Hollywood presents us with numerous examples of both undying love and separates aplenty. The inquiry is, how does one locate the perfect accomplice forever? It is very simple to be diverted by the sentimentalism that dating speaks to. While sentiment makes the heartbeat speedier, it won't manage forever and a day of being as one unless the relationship is based on numerous pragmatic point of views like comprehension and admiration. The main issue is that it is essential to work to make a relationship last. Look past the shades of sentiment. At the point when searching for an existence accomplice, try to know the individual better. Amid easy-going and formal dates, talk with the individual about preferences and adherences and use general discussion to figure out what makes a date tick. For any association to work, it is vital for both accomplices hold their uniqueness. One ought to never need to change to satisfy the other. Figure out if you have any regular hobbies. For amicability and fraternity, it is critical that you and your accomplice have some common hobbies, be it sustenance, books, travel, or games. Long-haul connections require a strong base. Attempt to discover whether you and your date have any hobbies in like manner by any means. Additionally, choose that as instructed individuals, you will attempt and set aside consciousness and bossiness to fabricate an enduring organization. Talk and agree on instructions and vocation objectives. Since both of you may have aspirations, you should discover the amount of give and take is conceivable. On the off chance that one accomplice is globe-tottler and alternate his genuine duties at work, it will take numerous changes to make the relationship fill in, as the non-venturing out accomplice should bear the greater part of the obligation. Individual intrigues, side interests. Life is about being as one and becoming together, chuckling, fun and fellowship prosper when individuals offer hobbies. It ought to never happen that the identity or personality of one accomplice is stronger to the point that it overpowers the distinction of the other. Profound and political convictions. Regularly, war is proclaimed over religious or political leaning, so figure out whether you share considerations or are at a complete digression. Life plans. These are vital. Both must share conviction when it concerns having kids, living in urban, rustic zones, retirement arrangements, et cetera. Listening to each other, imparting and talking over critical matters will offer a relationship some assistance with growing. Another perspective is of pulling the yoke together. It is critical that family unit tasks, bringing up kids, and straightforward things like grabbing the children, taking them to games, music, practice, thus on the share by both accomplices. Give and take is a key to achievement. It takes two to tango. In current times, most couples are working and have desires. So before setting out on trading promises, figure out if you will have the capacity to satisfy your professional aspirations or will you have to give up for your accomplice. Discuss these angles and talk about situations like conceivable exchanges to better places, etc. Consider how as a couple you would approach perspective like dealing with children and about sharing obligation where the home and health are concerned. Keep in mind, connections work best when there is genuineness and also a profound comprehension of yourself as well as the accomplice. To make a relationship work, your life objective should be in synchrony with that of your accomplice. Alterations are critical to a fruitful relationship, effective relationship, compatible relationship. At the point when searching for an accomplice, look in spot you jump at the chance to regular ball game, park and music excursions, motion pictures. In the event that you join with a man with the comparable intrigues, the possibilities of an effective relationship is higher. Similarly, is the foundation where sentiments is similar to sparkles on a frozen yogurt, so search for a man who you can appreciate exercise with.